Welcome to the Friday Assembly. Hello everyone. Well, Betty, she wanted to get us started by creating the atmosphere for a positive post-it day, didn't she? She snuck into my assembly before we began. But it is positive post-it day, and Betty, along with lots and lots of other people in our school community, have been absolutely amazing already, posting out positive notes of gratitude and kindness and love and joy to our school community and the wider community as well. First, I would like to say a very special thank you to our parents who helped me on a very special mission over the last couple of weeks. They have been sending lots of amazingly positive messages to the staff at Newlands, and I have been able to put it together into a lovely video and make some amazing posters, and we have been sharing it with the staff. If you want to see that video, please look at the link in the description and you'll be able to have a watch as well. It has been absolutely a fantastic morning already, and we are so appreciative of all of you, because not only have we been working so hard for our children, we have been working so hard for our parents as well, because we know that you have been working hard. So today, let's do a little bit singing, and after our singing, of course, we got our awards to do. Well done, children. Betty loves the singing. Don't you, Betty? I know you love the singing. She loves it. You should see her dancing around when the music comes on and she hears all of you. Now, it's time for us to do our first award, the Going for Gold. Here we go. Betty, sit down right here. Yep, right here. Let's have our Going for Gold awards. First, we have in Leeds class, Annalise for a great effort in her home learning, especially for her excellent counting skills. In York class, we have Liliana for her fantastic work during phonics and remembering tricky words that they have been learning. Also in York class, we have Ruby for all of her fantastic home learning. In Hull class, we have Isaac for really working hard on his work packs at home and speaking well on the phone with Mrs. Jackson. We also have Daisy for her much improved letter and number formation over the last few weeks. In Nottingham class, we have Grace for her fantastic maths work on numbers to 20 and understanding greater than, less than, and equals to. We also have Ashton for his super instructions on how to plant a seed and trying to extend his sentences using the word and. In Liverpool class, we have Iava for her writing a superb set of instructions using punctuation. We also have Ella for fantastic home learning all the time. In Cardiff class, we have Katie for trying hard with her home learning, and Ethan for his super outdoor learning. He has had a go at creating numbers using natural resources. In Edinburgh 1, we have Scarlett for completing all of her online learning, including mindfulness, outdoor, and optional tasks, and telling the teacher each day what she's done for every single piece of work. Amazing! She's working so hard. We also have Madison for completing all of her home learning tasks brilliantly and still doing extra work like reading and times tables. She has really worked hard. In Edinburgh 2, we have Joshua for his continued efforts with his home learning. He is keeping up with his reading and trying his best. In Cambridge class, we have all of Year 5 for their engagement in their home learning throughout the whole of the half term. We also have Caden, particularly for joining on the Teams meetings and showing motivation when completing his work. In Oxford class, we have Christians for brilliant hard work when completing his power reading questions. Bradley also receives an award for really good effort during his online learning activities each day. In Lincoln class, we have Benji for learning and speaking new words. And in Chester class, we have James W. for having a really good attitude in learning in school. Well done to all of those children. We're all so excited. We're so excited. Yes, Betty. Betty's excited as well. Give them all a big hand. Well done. Right, Betty. Now it's time for us to have our Year of Being Brave Awards. First, we have Maz in Leeds class for his being consistent effort with his home learning. In York class, we have Oliver for persevering and working hard to count to 10. In Hull class, we had Evie and Lorraine for attending their first live lessons this week. Miss Jackson loves seeing the two of you there. In Nottingham class, we have Davis for disciplined bravery, for continuing to try and write his letters neatly on a line. We also have Susanna for intellectual bravery and exceeding all tasks set for home learning. In Liverpool class, we have George C. for perseverance. He's always having a go at all of the tasks. We also have Zara for intellectual bravery for her fantastic effort and resilience in maths. In Cardiff class, we have Dorsey and Ella for both joining in with Teams meetings this week and getting on well with their work. In Edinburgh 1, we have Tilly Rose for getting logged on to the online this week and being brave enough to give it a good go and post her work back to the teacher. We also have Fraser for giving the online work a good go and sending work back to the teacher as well. In Edinburgh 2, we have text for empathetic bravery. He's always great, greets everyone with a smile on Teams every morning. It brightens up Miss Lofthouse's day. In Cambridge class, we have Cooper for showing disciplined bravery and creating some fab pieces of work on Internet Safety Week. In Oxford class, we have Lacey for showing disciplined bravery and improved engagement in the online work and Teams. We also have Casper for disciplined bravery and improved engagement in the online work and Teams. In Lincoln class, we have Ethan for intellectual bravery in literacy and using his pencil. And in Chester class, we have Zach for disciplined bravery for continuously trying his best on every Zoom lesson and reading nearly 2 hours on the epic books this week. Fantastic, fantastic. Oh, I know, Betty, isn't that great? Let's give them all a big hand. Well done, well done. Now, our very special Head Teachers Award. Betty, I heard that you have been speaking to somebody without me. She has. And you've chosen somebody or some people to get an award, a Head Teachers Award that I didn't know about? Oh gosh, Betty. Okay. So I have a note here that Betty brought in. So it says, please read. So let me see. Please read. Let me see what it says. Oh, here it is. Please give Mrs. Prince and all staff at Newlands a special award for their hard work and commitment to the children. And this is from Miss Hawk and from Betty. Have you been talking to Miss Hawk? She has. She's been talking to Miss Hawk, and they've been looking and watching what we've all been doing. Oh, thank you, Betty. I think that everyone here is going to be very appreciative of the special award. Thank you very much. Thank you. Now, I think we have lots of other awards to give out to the children who have been working so very hard, particularly those at home with their parents. The first Head Teacher Award is going to go to Emily in Edinburgh 1. Now, she gets this award because she began writing a book during lockdown about a brave warrior that protects his village from dragons. Wow, Emily, that sounds amazing. Wow, I can't wait to read your book. Then we have Patrick's in Cambridge class for always completing his work to a high standard, and his work is always very neat. We like that, don't we? Yes, it helps the teachers in our eyes when everything is nice and neat. Next, we have Daria in Oxford class for completing loads of work recently and always asking for help when she isn't sure and volunteering to read on Teams. Yes, I see you. Well done to all of you. We also have Sky in Oxford class. She hands in her work every day. It's always well presented. She's always polite. She's always on Teams, and she volunteers to read as well. We're really pleased with you, Sky. Well done. And the last one we're giving out today is to Jakob. Jakob is in Hall class, and this is for lots of amazing work and making some lovely friendships this year. Well, I am so very pleased with all of you. Let's give them another big hand. Well done, well done. Right, Betty. Now, it is the last day before half-term holidays. It's the February half-term next week, and there are no lessons, no assemblies, just some time to rest and relax and enjoy being with our family. I hope everyone has a lovely weekend and week, and we will see you again on Monday, the 22nd of February. Bye. Have a good one. Bye.